Hello and welcome to my channel, Sky Vision FX channel. Please do subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification button so that we can get updates as we go. Okay, let's look at the charts. This is daily time frame. We'll be looking at the daily and possibly 4-hour time frames to see where they are. So remember, as we're trading, we're looking for turning points where the supply and demand zones are. So as we can see right here, it's a good supply zone here. So if price does come here, this is the daily chart of the pound USD. If the price comes up to this level, for signals for me to sell. The same way at the bottom here as well. Demand there. So I'll be looking to sell there. There's a minor one here at this level and at these levels here. Somewhere here there are some minor ones there. So if we look at it on the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Okay, so if we get a bearish engulfing candle here, or a either a bearish engulfing candle or a kangaroo tail like we have on this one, then we'll look to go short again. But if not, if it breaks above, then we'll look for a price to move us to this next level here, and if it breaks above, we'll look for price to move up to that next level. Okay, quickly let's go to the next chart. This is the pound yen. Let's see, we have a nice engulfing candle here, which indicates that this is on the daily chart as well. All these charts are on the daily charts. So this is on the daily charts. We have a nice engulfing candle with a very nice demand level there. Let's readjust that. Okay, with a nice demand level, price came in here and gave us an engulfing candle. That indicates it wants to go further up. Where would it go up to? I think there's some supply around here that it might likely turn, and if it doesn't do that, then we'll go to the higher levels here. So let me do that. So if it doesn't turn there, it could likely turn at these levels up here. Okay, so we have those points there as our target points. Okay, the same thing. Let's see what it looks like on the 4 hours. Okay, so we're getting a break of this level. It's likely to come up to this level before it turns again. It might not turn all the way, might just give a pullback to go up again, as we know. Okay, let's look at the USD card. USD card is falling, and we see this is acted as a good support zone, but it's now failing. It's broken below, and it's likely to come down here. There's some support there, some demand zone there, here, and then ultimately down here. We have some demand there as well. Okay, so we have some demand here as well. The 1.248 zone. So we're looking for price to come to this level for it to move up and then possibly come back down. Aussie USD is looking like it's going up. Where might it go up to? This is a nice target up here. Another target could be up here, and then another one, let's say up there. So these are possible targets and possible turning points for it. And if it's going to fall, this is a nice place for it to fall down to and then turn again, or down here. Okay, pound Aussie is falling. So in falling, this is a nice zone for it to fall down to. Let's mark that zone. So this is a nice demand zone. So it could come in here and turn. And if it's going to turn, this is a nice place for it to turn back again, or a target location. Up here where it had some issues moving up could be another location. If it falls through here, the next place will be here, down here. The next place you can expect some reaction, good reaction down there. There's a minor one up here, as you can see, just at these highs here. There's a minor level there. So let's watch these levels to see what will happen. On the pound Euro USD, Euro USD has just been moving sideways most of the time, and there was support there. It moved down. Let's see if we minimize this a bit more. Wow, you see a level down here, the 1.10 level. At the upper levels we have these levels, 1.14 level, and up here as well. So let's watch these zones and see what will happen at that zones when price comes to them. Okay, the USD JPY, let's see what is happening here. This might be a zone, but if it breaks through here, then it could go up to this level here, and that's the 116.36 level. Or if it doesn't, you see, as price is right now, it's actually moving, it's just moving sideways. So we'll be looking for possible turning points here or here. So I'm just marking those levels, and I'm sure you'll be able to mark these levels as well, just as you are trading too. You can mark these levels and see where price is going. So we'll be expecting price, if it breaks through here, then this is the next level it might likely turn, or if you're able to get an entry here, this will be your level for take profits. Okay, let's look at the last one. This is gold on the daily chart. It gave us a nice rejection at that level. That means if price come here, it could actually turn again. It's giving us a bullish engulfing candle, but this bullish engulfing candle is inside this big trend, so I don't trust it that much. It's not a very nice one. So what I'll be doing is to watch for price reaction once it gets up here, if you can get up here or if you can get down here. Then the lower parts, these are the other lower parts. Price will get down here and turn. These are other turning points. So let's see what price does in these zones. Okay, so let's look at the top. Oh, okay, that's nice. At the top here we have some other points there, some other zones, and ultimately we're looking for this top here, the 2071 zone. That's what we're looking at the ultimately. So let's see, price is in a nice trend upwards. So the good thing to do, or the likely thing to do, is look for pullbacks. Look for price to pull back, perhaps into this zone here, and then you look for a buy, either on the 4-hour time frame. Look for a buy, bullish engulfing candle, or something like, or a kangaroo tail. Look for rejection candles or a kangaroo tail at these zones here. Okay, so let's see how price goes. Thank you.